As a Korean, I'm begging you, please stop eating kimbap. Ever since K-pop Demon Hunters, kimbap went global. But seriously, don't eat it. Because I need to eat it. You know that black wrap? It's called seaweed. It used to be a cheap, guilt-free snack. And after kimbap went viral, the prices shot up. Now even I can't afford my own lunch, so please stop eating it. But honestly, I'm proud that Korean food is loved around the world. Go ahead and enjoy it. Just leave some seaweed for me. If you want more Korean chaos like this, hit subscribe.